So here's how to make resume using ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. Just go over to chatgpt.com and you will get to see an interface like this. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, head over to the text input field, and if you click on the plus icon, you will see all of these options. You can also use the voice options on the right. For now, let's just put in our prompt in the text field and click on the submit button. Keep in mind to put in as much detail for your resume as possible. That way, ChatGPT can put in all the relevant information needed. Over here, ChatGPT asks for all the details it needs to craft the perfect resume. So go through them one by one and add in all the relevant details. For now, I will just ask it to create an example. And as you can see, it has now started generating the resume. If you provide all the information it asks for, it will use all the relevant details just like this. And that is exactly how to make a resume using ChatGPT.